Hello, children. Namaskar. I hope you all are fine and safe. Yesterday, we have started chapter number 3. Yes or no? And we have also completed exercise A to exercise E. Right? That is short answer question. So today, we are going to start with exercise F. That is match the following. So, children, let's take out page number 9 of worksheet and get ready with your pencil and eraser. So here it is given column A and column B. So in column A, number first, disinfected. Now who is disinfected in the option given below? So disinfected. Now what is the correct answer to this? Summer, silkworm, man-made fiber, raincoat, tablecloth, or clear germs, or sweater. Now, what is the meaning of disinfected? The thing that kill germs. Yes or no? So, when we say disinfected means that it is full of clear germs. There is no germs present. Yes or no? So, the first answer will be option F. Let's come to next, flex fiber. Now flex fiber is used to make summer, silkworm, man-made fiber, raincoat, tablecloth, or sweater. See, clear germs, it came, right? So we will tick mark here. So flex fiber is used to make, yes, tablecloth, then bed sheets, right? Pillow cover. So second answer is E, tablecloth. Now come to number third, wool. Wool is used to make, think, wool is used to make, yes, sweater, G. So we will write here G. Now polyester. See, don't get confused because polyester and nylon both are man-made fiber. Yes or no? And here only one option is given about man-made fiber. So let's check the next option. Raincoat, right? So polyester is used to make raincoat. We can match it. But nylon, अगर हमने पॉलिस्टर को मैनमेड फाइबर के साथ कर दिया फिर नाइलॉन इट इज़ नॉट यूज टू मेक रेनकोट, सो ये गलत हो जाएगा, राइट? सो हम क्या करेंगे, नाइलॉन इट इज इट कैन वी कैन राइट दैट नाइलॉन इज मैनमेड फाइबर, एंड जब पॉलिस्टर के बारे में हम लिखेंगे तब हम रेनकोट लिख सकते हैं, है ना? तो वो दोनों भी राइट हो जाएंगे. Yes or no? So we will write here number 4, polyester. It is used to make raincoat. So we will take first and then we will write option D. Next, nylon. Nylon is a man-made fiber. C. Then silk. Silk is, we get silk from silkworm. Yes or no? So let's take and then write here B, silkworm. Light color clothes. Light color clothes, when do we wear? Yes, in summertime. So we will write here option A. So students, write fast. Then we will move to next page. So take out your page number 10. Exercise G. Write or draw 3 things that you need to keep yourself or your home clean. Okay, now here you can draw or you can write 3 things. जो थिंग्स हमें या फिर हमारे घर को क्लीन रखने के लिए हेल्प करती है. Okay, this you are going to write in your homework. You can write or your choice. You can draw also. Okay, so clear, you can do it in the homework. So now let's move to next question. That is logical question answer. First one, resident of which house have less chances of suffering from diseases due to mosquitoes and fly? Okay, now here two images are given, image 1 and image 2. Okay, image 1 is resident 1, house number 1, and image 2 is resident 2, house number 2. So let's observe. So here what question is asked, which resident, which house is having less chances, किसके कम chances है suffering from diseases. Okay, so first let's see the images. So image 1 आपने देखा, ऑब्जर्व किया. Image 1 is well neat. Yes, it is very clean, airy. Right, sunlight also entering in the house through window. All the things are in the proper places. Yes or no? ऐसा दिख रहा है. And what about image 2, resident 2? Oh my god, see, the house is very messy. So from this image what we have learned and what we can say, that image 1 have less chance of suffering from diseases. Yes or no? अब यहाँ पे इमेज 2 में देखो कितना सब कुछ मैसी पड़ा है, यहाँ के वहाँ, नॉट दे आर नॉट अरेंज इन द प्रॉपर प्लेस ऑल्सो. राइट, तो इसमें मॉस्किटोज भी आएंगे, फ्लाइज भी आएगी. तो ये हाउस में अगर जो रहेंगे वो कैसे रहेंगे, उनको कोई भी डिसीज इजीली हो सकती है. बट इमेज 1 वाला, यस, दे हैव लेस चांसेस या फिर नो चांसेस. राइट, क्योंकि वो तो क्लीन है और शायद वो पीपल भी क्लीन रखते हैं उस हाउस को. यस, सो रेसिडेंट ऑफ हाउस नंबर 1, दैट इज इमेज 1, हैव less chances of suffering from diseases because the house is clean and well lit. So now come to next page. Now in this question, second one, which of the two t-shirts given alongside will be better suited for summer? Give one reason to support your choice. Now we can see there are two t-shirts, right? T-shirt 1 and t-shirt number 2. This is 1 and this is 2. So हमें क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है कि विच टी शर्ट इज बेटर सुटेड व्हेन इट इज समर टाइम. समर टाइम में हम कौन सा टी शर्ट पहन सकते हैं इजीली और हम बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल रहेंगे. सो लेट्स थिंक कि कौन सा टी शर्ट हमारे लिए बेटर है. तो लेट्स इमेज. सो फर्स्ट लेट्स ऑब्जर्व द टी शर्ट number 1 and 2. Okay, so I think that t-shirt number 1 is made from wool and it has long sleeves, right? Whereas t-shirt number 2 is made from cotton and it has a short sleeves, right? So which t-shirt will be better? Yes, t-shirt number 2 will be better in summer because it is made from cotton. So our reason will be it is made from cotton, it absorbs light sunlight. Yes or no? So we feel comfortable in t-shirt number 2 in summertime. Okay, so here we have completed our chapter number 3. Tomorrow we will be starting chapter number 4. So get ready. And today your homework is to write this logical question answers and also that exercise G. Okay, This both thing you are going to do in worksheet. So bye kids, take care.